QurisAI is an AI pharma company that is combining advanced artificial intelligence together with advanced biology to accelerate and personalize drug development and address longevity and drug safety. The company is backed by SoftBank, Welltech, iAngels, a billion-dollar private equity group. We work with AstraZeneca, Merck, GenMab, and other top pharma companies. We're proud to be led by a distinguished group of visionaries, Nobel laureate Chickanover from the Technion, Bob Langer, a co-founder of Moderna and former chair of FDA Science Board, two former CEOs of top pharma, Michel Vonestus, a former CEO of Biogen, who also invested in the current SAFE and is a member of the board, and Hank McKinnell, a former CEO of Pfizer. And I'm joined on the execution by Yossi Ben Amram, a former regional president of MSD. The problem that Curis is addressing is a $1 trillion problem. We all know that drugs begin their development in the lab and then go through animal testing and then into human clinical trials. The problem is that mice and other animals are really very poor predictors of the human body. And so 92% of all drugs that enter into clinical trials fail in clinical trials, resulting in $53 billion every year that are lost and thereupon both pharma as well as healthcare. There are other successful AI companies in the space, and this is a strong trend. These are all companies that are comparable to Curis, all focusing on better and accelerated drug discovery, but they're still hitting a brick wall of this clinical failure rate that I mentioned, and this is where Curis comes in. We provide a first of its kind a platform that does better safety prediction using the combination of AI with advanced biology that better predicts safety and personalization than animal testing or other platforms. We've recently shown 80% sensitivity in liver toxicity. We expect similar results in other organs. Then the secret sauce, the essence of it is, as I mentioned, integrating AI with patient-on-chip biology. And this, we believe, is key for mental health, for healthcare in general, the AI in healthcare revolution. And so we're working on two engines, revenue engines, working with pharma companies as well as with longevity consumers. In a nutshell, what we do is we use our platform in our lab to test thousands of known drugs, both in vitro and in silico, generating millions of data points that train the AI so that when a new drug comes along, we can better know is it safe and for whom. And in our lab, we support the following organs: liver, heart, blood-brain barrier, and brain. I'll pause here for a moment. These are tiny human organs, less than 1 millimeter in size, a tiny beating heart of an individual, a tiny brain of an individual. Recent study begins to show cognition abilities of monitoring them, disturbances within these organisms. And so we've recently adapted this also for consumer longevity service, basically democratizing the same tool. Consumers give us a sample of their blood, we grow their tiny organs for them and let them know which drug is good for whom, initially for high net worth individuals because of the cost of the technology initially, but we believe that this is the future of mental health care and healthcare in general. This is all supported by dramatic regulatory backwind. The FDA Modernization Act 2.0 and more recently 3.0 are pushing in this direction. Curis has recently, 23 has been a significant year for us. We've been recognized as the leader in this field by various institutions, including the highest award of the pharma industry, the Scrip Award, that in 23, the Innovation Award for closing the clinical prediction gap went to Curis. How you can participate, I'll talk about investment in a moment. We would appreciate help partnering with pharma, biotech, and healthcare. And you're welcome to engage in our personalized health program. Reach out to us and we'll tell you more. Company was founded in 2020, raised a $37 million seed from SoftBank and others, is well funded, is now raising a $50 million A round. 36 have been taken, 14 remain available. These are the use of proceeds. Welcome to see you join and support Israel. We're at this special time. Thank you.